This is why you need to know about homeostasis in nature. It's nature's secret recipe for balance. Picture this: a forest thriving with plants, animals, and insects. But what keeps everything in harmony? Homeostasis. It's like nature's way of keeping everything just right. When one part of the ecosystem changes, other parts adjust to keep balance. Too many rabbits? Predators like foxes step up. Not enough water? Plants grow deeper roots. It's a fascinating dance that keeps life ticking. Homeostasis isn't just science talk. It's the secret sauce of nature. So next time you see a bustling forest or a calm pond, remember, it's all about balance. That's homeostasis at work. Amazing, right?